Hi guys, what's up? Finally I'm going to change the oil to this car. I've been driving this car now 2,635 kilometers about. I bought this car only a few months ago. It was serviced, at least that was in a service book. I want to change this oil because I want to know what's inside this engine. A total kilometer now with this car, it's 107,500. Previous owners, at least in a service book, they changed oil only 4 times. I don't get it. Why? It's not that expensive. I'm going to use a Mobil 1 Dexos D. This is diesel and that's recommended. Viscosity is 0W20, which is quite low, but that's also recommended, and that's also what's in the last times in the service book. Yeah, now I'm just driving this car a little bit that it's getting the normal temperature. This oil is getting warm. I also have a kind of a funny story to tell when I was trying to buy a new oil plug. Okay, first of all, always protect the nature, and I lift the car up. I also have of course this jack stand here. It should be safe. First I have to remove this. That's a little bit different than my old one. My old one, Astra K, didn't have this cover here. Here we have the oil filter and oil plug. Just for the better flow. This one, it's a socket number 15. Ooh, that's tight. We need a bucket. It's about 5 liters. 5 liters, which is coming out. It looks pretty dark, but diesel is very dirty. Dirty engine, so I'm not surprised. I will now let it flow out and till it's just dropping here. So I was telling about this funny story about buying these blocks. I went to our local Opel dealer and I gave all my information, this car information, VIN number, everything. I wanted to buy oil plug. He came with 2 ones, this one and also this one. And I said that I don't know which one it is. I have no idea. I didn't look that yet. I said to him that just sell me both a little bit cheaper, and I bought these both. This one, that's the right one. Can't they see with the VIN number which should fit? That was a little bit strange. Next I have to take this filter out. And I will try it first with this one. This is something I didn't have in Astra J. I will open this one and it should drain a little bit cleaner this oil. I'm not going to make so much mess. That's the number 6. So just don't lose this. Oh, I dropped it. Okay, I think it's done. Next I have to take this filter out, and that's number 24. It was pretty loose, which is good. Is this cleaner way? I don't know. Oh yeah, maybe a bit with brake cleaner. torque to specs. 25 Newton meters, this one. And the new rubber here. Oil this a little bit. Okay, there's actually new rubbers here for that too. This one. That's nice. And then 10 Newton meters. Like so. And now it's ready to go back. This one is also 25 Newton meters. About 25. $25. I think I will let this cover yet away that I can check if there's any leaks. Now I will fill the oil. 5 liters this engine will take. Now I have to reset this oil. Should be at blue. Remaining oil life. And reset. Yes. 100%. So I did a test drive and I parked to the level surface. I parked there. I was standing there about 20 minutes. I let this oil kind of level and I checked the oil level and it was pretty much full. And that's how it should be about. I added the whole 5 liters here. Everything here is dry, nothing here is leaking, which is good. So I can put back this cover. I really like to change oil. This feeling after the oil change. Everything is better in the world. You have to make this tight. Alright, that's it for now.